Bury an egg in your garden. What happens few days later will surprise you. Good soil means everything for a gardener looking to raise healthy, happy plants. While there are certainly countless chemicals and expensive solutions, there are actually many simple things you can do to boost nutrients and maintain a successful garden. Curious to learn more? In this video I'll show you 6 ways to make any type of soil enrich with nutrients naturally, after which you'll never feel the need to buy those expensive chemical fertilizers. 1. Raw egg. The solution for a thriving plant may be as simple as planting a raw egg. As you prepare your pots with soil, simply include a single raw egg at the bottom. Over time, the egg will decompose and works as a natural fertilizer for the seedlings. You can also use crushed eggshells, which work just as good as whole egg. Eggshell has calcium, nitrogen and phosphoric acid, which make them an ideal choice for garden use. So next time you boil or fry an egg, don't throw away the eggshell, but instead recycle them to grow seedlings. When the seedling is ready to be planted outside, place the shell and seedling directly in the ground. The eggshell will decompose over time and help fertilize the soil. 2. Banana skins. Bananas contain a number of nutrients including potassium, phosphate, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, and sodium. All of these things can help promote healthy growing for plants. Best way to effectively use banana peels is to cut them up into small pieces so that they can decompose faster. This will result in organic matter that helps establish rich soil. 3. Ash. If you have a fireplace, you'll love this free method for raising pH levels. You simply scatter the ash around the soil as a way to lower acidic levels. This will make it easier to grow a fresh crop. 4. Leaves. Allowing leaves to rot over a garden during winter will provide nutrients for the soil to prepare it for the next growing season. The leaves work to pull the organic matter back down into the soil, making it dark and rich. 5. Epsom salt. Epsom salts are especially good for soil. Low pH levels are usually an indication of a magnesium imbalance. To boost pH levels in the soil, dilute Epsom salt with water and spray on the plants. The vegetation will soak up the welcomed nutrients. 6. Use compost regularly. While using bits and pieces of natural matter can be helpful, combining many pieces of compost will only go one step further toward enriching your soil. There are a number of benefits of using natural compost regularly. It works to improve the soil structure while using less water and warding off common plant diseases. The soil benefits from added layers of nutrients, especially before a growing season. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe for more videos.